Hey guys, today I will explain how we'll earn from TikTok become a brand ambassador. A brand ambassador is a person who represents a company and creates awareness of a brand's products and services with the goal of driving sales. Brand ambassadors differ from regular influencers in that they are typically hired by a company for the long term and are highly educated on the brand. They also might agree to an exclusive partnership with the brand. There are different compensation methods for brand ambassadors, including short and long-term paid agreements, similar to a regular job, affiliate links, and free products. If you want, make money from TikTok sponsored posts, then create an account and earn money every month. Sponsored posts earning every month per post if pay $5,000 to $50,000, then if you got per month $150,000 to $1,500,000. Enjoy and enjoy. Last think, enjoy your day, hopefully this channel for your helpful. If you love me, then follow and subscribe my account. Thank you.